house where the echoes play. Shadows stretch and colors fade away. Footsteps whisper secrets to the ground, lost in the hum of an unseen sound. Feel the pulse beneath the floor, a rhythm knocking on a hidden door. The walls hum low like they're alive, in the underground where the beats survive. Flickering lights dance without a care. The air is thick with stories everywhere. Silent voices hum in the neon haze, guiding hearts through the maze. The ring lights dance without a care. The air is thick with stories everywhere. In tune, fading away under the silver moon. Yet the echoes remain and softly call in the underground where we lose it all.